This is the XPEDITION swivel car seat. Today I'll show you how to use it. Start the installation by placing the guides in the car's bench seat. Place the car seat close to the car's seat back. Remove this cover. Now, using the lever, slide out the ISOFIX latches as far as possible and slide them into the guides until they lock. The colour of the indicators must change to green. Press the car seat to the car's seat back. Finally, by moving left and right, press the latches and car seat together so that the car seat fits snugly against the car's seat back. If your car seat is installed correctly, it'll sit snugly against the car's bench seat in these places. To disassemble ISOFIX, press these release buttons and slide the car seat out from the guides. Then, put the latches away by pressing here. Children weighing up to 18 kilograms should travel in the rearward facing position. Start by changing the angle of incline. Using this lever, recline the car seat as far as possible to the lie-flat position. Now, put the car seat in a rearward facing position, using this lever. Always, after turning the car seat, make sure that the indicator is green. Press the car seat to the car's seat back, ensuring that all elements are stable. Now it's time for top tether. Press this button and adjust the position of the buckle. Insert top tether into the belt guide at the back of the car seat on the internal side of the car. If the car's headrest makes installation difficult, you may remove it. Guide the strap behind the car seat to the attachment point at the back. Put the fastening hook on and tighten the strap until the green marker appears. Remember that whenever you change the direction of travel and incline the car seat, you need to retighten the strap. Turn the car seat towards yourself to comfortably place your child inside. Unfasten the safety harness. Depending on the weight of your youngster, either leave the inserts in or remove them. Press this button in and pull on the straps to loosen them. Adjust the head restraint by pressing or pulling this handle until it locks. Now, secure your child using the internal safety harness. Place the shoulder strap so that the strap enters the car seat's backrest at the level of the youngster's shoulders. There should only be room for one finger to fit between the strap and the child. Turn the car seat and make sure that the top tether strap is taut. The green indicator shows this. Children weighing above 9 kilograms may travel facing towards the direction of travel in the car seat installed using the ISOFIX system and the top tether strap. To change positions, press the button, turn the car seat towards yourself and remove the top tether strap from the belt guide. Now, adjust the angle of incline to one of 4 positions. Put the car seat in a forward-facing position and press firmly. OK, now you can adjust the top tether strap. It should lie perpendicularly behind the car seat. Remember to tailor the length of the strap each time you adjust the angle of incline of the car seat. After placing your little passenger in the car seat, remember to correctly adjust the headrest and secure the safety harness. Children weighing above 15 kilograms can be secured using the car's seat belt in the car seat if it's installed using ISOFIX. In cars without ISOFIX, you can just use the belt. First, unclip the top tether strap and place it behind the car's seat. Next, put the internal safety harness away. Press the button and loosen the safety harness. Position the headrest in the highest position. Unfasten the safety harness and remove the crotch strap protector. Place the buckle under the car seat cover. Open the snap fasteners of the backrest cover. Remove the soft insert and rigid filling. Place the safety harness buckle where the rigid insert was. Place the soft insert on the buckle. Put the safety harness with covers away under the backrest material. Tighten them so that they're snug against the backrest of the car seat and away from your child, and fasten the cover. And it's ready. It's time to secure your little passenger. Guide the 3-point seatbelt using the guides on the top and sides of the car seat. Fasten the buckle. Pull the hip strap and then the shoulder strap. Remember to tailor the height of the headrest so that the shoulder strap goes between the child's shoulder and neck. The hip strap should be positioned as low as possible on the hips. The car seat cover can be easily removed and machine washed. To do this, remove the shoulder strap covers. Open the 4 snap fasteners in these spots. Unfasten the safety harness and remove the crotch strap cover. Lift the headrest. Remove the cover from the headrest and then from the side protection, sides and front part of the seat. Slide off the material around the button that adjusts the safety harness. Remove the cover from the headrest and then from the seat, threading it through the headrest. The cover is now ready to be washed. To replace the cover, do everything in reverse order, starting from the top. That's everything you need to know about Expedition. Enjoy!
Kinderkraft. Easy with kids.